Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Buzz has entered the chat. We are about to start stream and we're going to be carving the cauldron. I'm so excited. Am I filming? And the mic is on. The mic is on. Freaking round them up. I'm so excited to carve these gosh dang rugs. You know what's so funny is I was wearing an entirely different outfit earlier. It was like a full kind of like bodysuit thing, outfit. Anyway, and I forgot that I can only get it off with Sean's help. So I almost had to rip it to get it off, and I had to pee so freaking bad. And anyway, now I'm in a different outfit, and that is neither here nor there. So, oh, also, kind of a little bit of a studio update. I brought in another one of my skeletons. Well, actually, this skeleton was in my closet, and along with Bob, like kind of behind Bob, and so I pulled them out, and they're hanging on the tufting frame for now. I don't know where they're gonna go once we have to like use the tufting frame again. But anyway, I brought him out, and I need to find a permanent like spot for him. I just don't know where. I originally wanted the skeleton to be like sit above, like sit on the yarn tower, but he's too tall. He's too tall. So that's not gonna work. Anyway, I'm setting up for stream, getting ready. Motherfucker. Oh, did I show you these? Look! Look how beautiful! Big bubble. I'm in love. And then the ice cream. Look at this. Clearing the table so that we can carve the friggin' cauldron for stream. I'm so excited. Look at this. Come on. It's gonna be so fun. Okay. Oh, but why? Let's try cleaning it. My carver is having a hard time carving, so I'm hoping I can just clear this up and it'll work fine. I won't have a stream today if it doesn't. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm trying to get my tweezies in here to pull out the little chunks of fiber. I've actually, this is my fault, and I'll admit this right here now. This is all my fault. My gosh. I don't think I've actually ever cleaned this since I got it. And I got this for Christmas. I think we're looking good. And now I'm gonna oil it, because I haven't done that in a long time either. Ever, actually. I'm also gonna go in here and just, you know, dust around. Because I also need to put oil in here as well. And then a little bit of oil on this as well. Not a whole lot, because I don't want oil to be like dripping. So now I'm gonna just pop this back in. How bizarre. Okay, and then tighten it. Well, it feels a little bit better, but alright, I just remembered that you get like a spare, you know, usually. So I'm gonna try to swap these out. This one's different. You have to like undo this part, and then you can pop off the thing, which took me a second to figure out. So we'll pop this in, and it kind of just like magnetized on, and then you tighten it. Tighten its collar, and then it's good. Okay. Oh, there we go. Now she's carving. So yeah, I guess it was just dull. But thankfully, we have a solution for today's stream. I was kind of panicking. Alright, I feel like we're kinda good. Alright, I think we are ready for stream. I'm glad I did all of that before stream. So anyway, I'm gonna insert some clips. Say hi to Bob. I'm gonna insert some clips from stream so you guys can see. So we can just get started on carving. Where do I want to start? When I win the spot, don't believe me, just watch. I think I did it. That lighting is making it look amazing and ridiculous. Right? It looks so good. I'm amazed. All right, I am working on packing and shipping these stickers. And if you didn't know, I released some stickers. They're both holographic, of course. Actually, I can show them to you. I don't know if I've shown them to you guys yet, but here's one of them. So it's like a holographic, glittery, illy tad sticker. Look at it, look how cute it is. And then the other one is this cauldron sticker that, like, the smoky part is holographic. It's everything I've ever wanted in a sticker. It's so freaking cute. Yup, it's so cute. So I have some sticker, well, I don't know why I'm closing this. I have some sticker orders to pack up. I don't know. This is just like, you know when something is like the perfect size and like texture, and there's just something really like satisfying about holding it? These little package, you know, I'm so used to dealing with like huge boxes and like tons of paper and filling and, you know, just all kinds of stuff. And this is just like cute. Love it. If you're kind of nervous about using Pirate Ship, like buying their labels and like hesitating on getting a printer, maybe I'm the only one in this boat, but like if you are in in that same boat that I was in, do it. So silly. Yup, it's so worth. Oh my god, I feel kind of dumb. It's hard for me to show you this process actually, because like their names and stuff, so I'll be back to you in a second. Hey y'all, welcome to some days later. So on stream we carved this rug, and it's so ridiculously satisfying. I need to vacuum it because I think we also need to do the edges just with my scissors, and then we'll give it a nice vacuum, and then I'm hoping to finish the edges. I'm trying to get back on posting on Instagram and stuff because I haven't in ages. So I'm doing like a post about backing this rug, and so we need to finish off the edges for that. Oh, by the way, last week's stream named them Jack for I think obvious reasons. And also on stream today, I think I'm gonna do like a yarn haul. Wait, what are you doing? That was so incredibly rude of you. Can you see how big this is? And it's ripping. Oh. Now it's ruined. It was like a nice bag. Well, not the bag. The bag was terrible. The bag is a shitty trash bag. But, wow, now it's just... Look at what has happened. I just shouldn't have touched it. I just shouldn't have touched it. I touched it and it literally looks like it exploded. Well, I'm not happy with that. Okay. Transpo, stop being jerks. Okay? Cool. Thanks. I transferred it. Alright, you're on top of my my sewing machine because I need this tripod that you were on just a second ago. So I can mount my phone and we can finish backing the ice cream. And then, moments later, the stream will start. I have no grasp on, like, time. I just do things until I need to do other things. Also, look at my new phone background. Or don't. Here's the picture. Isn't that the cutest? You see a bit of nothing. What if you go way up here and then focus the center? My face. No, please, see my face. This is my face. Huh? I'm gonna take my phone, get another shot from a different angle so that it's not boring. Time we got 30. That might have to be it for now. I have, well, it's 34. 134. I start at 2. Well, I turned stream on at 150. Do I think I could pull this off now? I think I can do it. It's plenty of time. Let's have a seat. I put you up on a shelf, and there you stayed, filming, until you died. My camera, that is. Yeah. I left you filming. I wonder how long. I haven't looked at the clip yet. Although the clips usually stop filming around like 30 minutes. Like the camera will just stop filming. Probably for that exact reason. I've always wondered, like, why not just like let it film? That's probably why. For people like me. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. Listen, I was gluing and frantic and then trying to, and then I had to start stream, you know? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Let me get you on a tripod and show you what we did on stream yesterday. So we carved the like cone part of the ice cream. Look at that. Oh my god. It looks too good. So what I did was all the darker brown sections I carved lower than all of the lighter, like toasty color, so that all of that like lighter toasty color would be raised, you know, kind of like a cone is with that texture. And then I also, with the like strawberry ice cream like drip, I basically like had all of the cone sections gradually go down so that the ice cream would look like it's over, like it's popping out over the cone part. So good. I'm gonna show you a couple of clips, just a couple of clips. Oh, it just looks so good. It's just like, it's perfect. It's coming out literally perfect. I love how the like wavy line of the ice cream drippy looks. Like it just is coming out so good. All right. With that, I think I'm going to end this video here. I need to edit this video that you're watching first, and then I need to edit and finish the 3D, like very thick, chunky rug video where I'm telling you guys all about the long pile machine. So I'm pretty excited about that. Oh, can we just like look at that? Just like look at that. It's just hanging there, but it's looking so... Listen, I'm not, you know, I'm just gonna say, I think I'm pretty good at carving. I mean, I don't know. I definitely want to do a whole like special video about carving, because I do feel like it's kind of like it's a scary thing to do, especially on a rug that you've worked on for so long and now you have to like cut into it, and the cuts that you make could ruin it. Anyway, so I want to do a whole video about that. So I gotta go. Much editing is in my future for the day. Thank y'all very much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. I need to post a VOD on the VOD channel. And you can also subscribe to the VOD channel. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. Anyway, I love y'all to absolute death. And I'll see you in the next